Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sy'Monne and today is going to be a little pedicure touch-up. So I painted my toes black. Usually what I do after they start looking kind of bad, which is usually after about 2 weeks, is I'll go ahead and just literally repaint them again with one coat of the color, maybe two, and then I'll just go over it again with the clear nail polish. And so that's how I pretty much get my pedicures to last me at least a month. Sometimes I'll even redo them a second time. I hope you guys like the video. Go ahead and give me a comment, share, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the video. Hope that you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and go ahead and leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.